of my heat. Got a little loose coming out of 3. Got it all beat up and straightened out. The boys tell me that we're ready to run now. That's a damn good thing, 'cause that green flag's waving and I'm on the gas. I put my sweat and blood to these nuts and bolts. Yeah, I turn a wrench. It's the only way I can afford to build it up again, to tear it up again. It's the only way I'm ever gonna learn. One more left turn. From the back to the front, I'm making my move one at a time. I'm picking them off. 2 back from the lead, working on second place, coming out of 3. I put it straight to the wood, 'cause where I'm at ain't good enough for me. I put my sweat and blood to these nuts and bolts. Yeah, I turn up. Turn.